Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 31st of October, 2022. We're going to talk about Dogecoin today. Yes, you already know the market in Dogecoin has saw or is seeing a massive climactic move higher. You guys can see that I did an update video in Dogecoin on October the 6th, 2022, letting you all know that I was still bullish into the market in Dogecoin. This is where the price was when I did my update video, but you can see way back into the beginning of September, I originally intended for the price in Dogecoin to go up. Now you guys can see what exactly happened. It took a while, but you know, that's how the market works. The timing aspect of predicting the market is where the unknowingly is at. You know, we just don't know when the market's going to pop, when it's going to crash, when it's going to move. When we just don't know that. If we knew that, then we would be very dangerous regarding how profitable we are in terms of our price predictions. But needless to say, once we get more information, once more technology comes out, hopefully we could possibly time the market to where we know when to get in exactly, precisely, and then know when to get out. So congratulations to those in either case to get that 18% into the market in Dogecoin on the 27th, or if you were to get out the market right now in Dogecoin, you guys can see it's around 93%. You almost double your money on this particular move in the market in Dogecoin since I did the first price prediction in September of 2022. Now, obviously, everyone is questioning, can we still see the price rise? Let's try to figure that out real quick into the market in Dogecoin. You guys can see that we have finally broken outside of this trending range. So that is something that we need to be excited about, because the market actually is telling us where it wants to go, which is to the upside. So the first thing we need to do is come through and identify the trend. Okay. So we're going to take this bottom line here and we're going to utilize it as a gauge to keep in line with the trend. Okay, so even the market in Dogecoin, we would expect at some point people to come in and take profit. There's nothing wrong with that. You have to take profit in order to capitalize on your position. So you guys can see how low price has to go in Dogecoin in order for us to maintain the prospect of seeing price go up. Okay, we can't see the price fall no lower than like 29.25%. In order for us to maintain the ability of Dogecoin to go up. You guys can see that the last 2 days into the market in Dogecoin, let me show it to you right here, October the 29th, and then again here on October the 30th are days to where the sellers are profiting from their market move higher in Dogecoin. Look at this on the 2-day chart. Again, I'm not the bearer of bad news. I'm just simply giving you all the news according to the charts, and these two-day price bar definitely exemplifies selling and profit taking. Okay, you can see it on the 2-day. Look at this on the 3-day chart to the market in Dogecoin. Let's see the monthly chart real quick, and this is where the market in Dogecoin saw rejection. So check this out. We haven't seen the market in Dogecoin get rejected right here since the month of March 2022. We haven't seen this price in Dogecoin trade in this particular area of 15.5 cents since March, beginning of the year. Can the market maintain this? Well, currently today's the last day of the month of October, and we're closing off the highs, and that resembles sellers coming into the market. So yes, 15.5 cents is still being seen as a point of resistance. Can we see the market in Doge run up to 17.5 cents, 20 cents in the long term on the monthly chart? It's possible, but we have to see that transpose on a weekly chart as well. Okay, so right now I suspect that the market's going to go through some weakness. It's going to go through some selling. Price is going to dip, but then we will have to see the market transition over to one of some strength. Now you guys can see from an hourly perspective that yes, from the daily chart, we can see the market closing off the highs. I get it. But when you look at this on an intraday basis, check this out. The market in Dogecoin is not necessarily indicating a lot of weakness now, is it? Look at this. I think you guys can see where the buyers are coming into the market in Dogecoin. They're coming in right there around 11.5 cents. This is where the buyers definitely need to maintain price for us to see the market on the monthly time frame break up to that 17.5 cent price. So this market move in Dogecoin doesn't look like it's over for it to go up. Not from an hourly perspective. This is the 3-hour chart. Here is Dogecoin on the 5-hour. Okay. This is where right here on the 5-hour chart, this 5-hour price bar right here is telling us that buyers are still coming into the market. Okay, 7 hours. Look at this on the 11-hour chart. Okay, so I think you guys can see that when we look at this on a daily chart and the 2-day time frame, yes, we're still seeing weakness, but when you go smaller into smaller increments of time span, the market doesn't look extremely weak. So how should we play this? Should we look to the market and Dogecoin to continue to go up, or should we expect it to go down? Daily chart, let's see. So if we were to go to play some strength into the market in Dogecoin, right? This is the area that we cannot see price in Dogecoin fall below. Okay, so I'll say 10 cents. Definitely nowhere lower than this trend line. Okay, we definitely don't want to see price break this trend, because if it does, then my expectation would be for the market in Dogecoin to do this, consolidate, and then continue to move up higher in price. This is the current momentum. This is the current trajectory that the overall market is feeling in Dogecoin. We want that to happen, but in case that doesn't, then my next option would be for the market to hold this trading range and then eventually continue to trend higher in price. So I am going to play some strength into the market in Dogecoin. I'm not going to do an outlandish price prediction. That is not what I do here. But we're going to go ahead and give you 2 price targets. The first one is going to be around 13 cents. Okay, so that's around 7% movement higher from where the market currently is trading right now. That's a 7% movement higher. My second price target is going to be around 14 cents in Dogecoin. That's only 14.5% market move there. Okay. Then the third price target is going to be 15. Okay. So that is it. Give me your thoughts about Dogecoin. Where do you think the market in Dogecoin is headed? Initially, I would expect us to get some weakness, some selling to come into the market. So again, don't be surprised to see the market in Dogecoin continue to trend a little bit lower. But outside of us holding this trend line, outside of the market consolidating, this is what I'm expecting the price to do. Okay. Now it's your turn. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.